How do I relaunch a slow product using PPC? You would treat it as any other product. Let's zoom out just a bit for clarity, because there are also beginners and like asking beginner questions. Most of the time, it's so hard for us to understand what product relaunch is. What you're doing right now is, imagine you have a service or a business in place. Imagine you have a retail store in place, and there are already some clients coming in, but what you would like to do is get as much market share as you can and reposition yourself. In that case, you would be running additional marketing. Now, what you can do besides running additional marketing is, let's say you are a minimalistic design store, your layout of the store and like how you're presenting yourself, it's not coming across as you're really a minimalistic design store. It's coming across as if you're this old mom and pop shop who barely can afford to live and so on. It's like, you can clearly see that they are struggling and you're this minimalistic. Now, whoever chooses minimalistic design, they already have one specific taste. That is not equal to low, high, cheap and low quality and so on. So there's going to be a differentiation between once that they are entering their store, no matter how good your products are, if the atmosphere smells bad in the store, you're going to give that as first impression. So keep in mind that if you're going to sell on Amazon and that is the bad smell, idea that I just explained, if that bad smell is still on the products that you're selling, it looks old, you probably would not buy that. Only people who are trusting you and have been your customers for a while are going to buy that. You are missing out a lot of potential and potential sales, potential market revenue. So just the same way how I would see, how would you relaunch a slow selling product using PPC? First, you would improve your listing. Otherwise, you're just throwing more money into something that's not really working, right? You would improve your listing. Once that you improve your listing, your product detail page and your A+ content, and also you would add videos to your listing itself. Now already looks better, right? So you're going to bring additional ads to your listing, but that would be my go-to.